What's going on, guys? So here's another project. Just finished bagging this one. This is the MDX PMC edition. Nice. Let me swap the camera. So here we have a 2020 MDX Aspec bagged on Airlift and Flyyair suspension. This is clean. They only made 330 of these. Oh no, PMC. I don't know what I just said. PMC edition, which means precision crafted by Performance Manufacturing Center. All right, so we got the Airlift remote right here. I just wanted to show off the interior in this car. It's amazing. This looks very nice. Very, very nice. Look at the stitch work. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, so he came in obviously for a bag install, as you can tell. It's already slammed. Look how low this goes. Very nice. Check out the rear. Now he's putting on wheels eventually, so the fitment is not where it's supposed to be at. So he's coming back so that we could adjust the fitment. But right now those are stock wheels. Believe it or not, stock wheels. Those are 20s. Very nice. See, Acura, what they did with this one, they made it look very sporty. You know, they blacked out all the window frame, door handles. Got the mirrors. The front on this looks amazing. Look at that. I'll show you guys again. I'll make another quick video showing the car all the way around. All right, so I'll show you guys what we did in the bag. We did something simple, clean. Let me turn this off so you can see the. All right, so in the back. I don't know if you can see it. This car is so clean that you can't even. The reflection is just—it's like a mirror. But anyways, show you guys what we did. Check what we did. OEM Plus. So pretty much what we did here is did a nice round cut to go with the car, and then we wrapped this in carpet. Then down here we have two Flyyair compressors, polished lines with compression fittings. This a little design back there, white plexi with a vinyl work. Obviously it lights up. More hard lines over here with two water traps, all compression fittings. Got the series innovations plaque right there. So bright you can't even see it on the camera. Matching tank. Actually goes very well with the car. It's a perfect match. And that's pretty much it. No audio, no nothing. It's just air suspension kit. Very, very clean. All right, guys. So enjoy this small clip